Hello students, now let's continue lesson number 4, My District, on page number 32. Okay, here the classification, the list of festival as date-wise, tithi-wise, day-wise, year-wise or otherwise is given. So here the list you have to write down in your textbook. Okay, let's see the festivals as date-wise. Okay, Uttarayan, Republic Day, Christmas, New Year, Christian New Year, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti and Christmas. These are the festivals which are as date wise. Okay, on which day Uttarayan? So on 14th January. So it is date wise festival. Republic Day 26th January. So it is also date wise festival. Now Christian New Year on 1st January. So it is also date wise. Independence Day 15th August. So it is also date wise. Gandhi Jayanti 2nd October, date wise festival, and Christmas 25th December. Okay, so all the festival on first row, it is date wise festival. Okay, now let's see tithi wise festival. So New Year, Bhai Beej, Diwali, Holi Dhuneti, Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami, all these festivals are come as tithi wise. Okay, now day wise, year wise or otherwise festival they come day wise, year wise or otherwise. So which are the festivals? Good Friday, Cheti Chand, Eid Milad, Mohuram, Pateti, all are the festivals which are come day wise, year wise or otherwise. Okay, so list down all the festivals, and this is the division about the day wise, tithi wise, day and other date wise, tithi wise and otherwise. Okay, now let's see some questions given here. Which festivals are celebrated as the national festivals? Do you remember which festivals are celebrated as national festivals, students? Very good. Okay, now speak. First, Independence Day. On which day Independence Day come? On 15th August. Okay, so that is the national festival. Second, which is the national festival? Republic Day. Republic Day on which day? On 26th January. Republic Day is also national festival. And other national festival, it is Gandhi Jayanti, and Gandhi Jayanti on which day? 2nd October. Okay, so these three festivals are celebrated as national festival. Okay, repeat again, which three festivals are celebrated as national festival? Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, so these three festivals are celebrated as national festival. Okay, second question, why are the national festivals celebrated? Okay, these three festivals, okay, they are celebrated as national festival: Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. They are celebrated as national festival. But why they are celebrated as national festival? Okay, now let's see. On 15th August 1947, our country achieved freedom from British rule. On which day કયા દિવસે freedom મળ્યું? On 15th August 1947, our country achieved freedom from British rule. Okay, therefore this day is celebrated as Independence Day and it is our national festival. Okay, 15th August, and it is celebrated as which day? Independence Day. Very good. And second festival, 26th January. Okay, it is celebrated as Republic Day. So why it is our national festival? Because on 26th January 1950 our constitution came into existence. Okay, now constitution means it is the rules for running a nation. કોઈ પણ નેશનને ચલાવવા માટેના જે રૂલ્સ હોય એને શું કહેવાય? Constitution. Or it is a legal principles through which our country run. Okay, so the constitution means it is a legal principles or rules. It is called constitution. Okay, so on 26th January 1950 our Indian constitution came into existence. So this day is celebrated as Republic Day and it is our national festival. Okay, it is celebrated as our national festival. Do you remember? Okay, very good. Repeat it. Why 26th January it is celebrated as national festival? 26th January 1950 our constitution, Indian constitution came into existence. So it is celebrated as Republic Day and it is our national festival. Okay, now third festival, that is Gandhi Jayanti. It is also our national festival. Why it is national festival? Because on 2nd October it is the whose birthday? Birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, and he contributed greatly to the Indian freedom movement. He is the father of the nation, so his birthday is celebrated as national festival. Gandhiji's birthday. Okay, Mahatma Gandhiji's birthday on 2nd October. And he was the great leader of freedom movement. He was the father of the nation. So his birthday is celebrated as national festival. So 3 festivals are celebrated as national festival. Okay, now third question, which festivals are celebrated collectively by the people? Okay, which festivals are celebrated collectively? બધા ભેગા મળીને કયા ફેસ્ટિવલ સેલિબ્રેટ કરીએ છીએ આપણે? ફેસ્ટિવલ લાઈક દિવાળી, ઉત્તરાયણ, હોલી ધૂળેટી, ન્યૂ યર, દશેરા, જન્માષ્ટમી. Okay, so these types of festivals we celebrate collectively. Okay, now next question, which festivals are associated with business? Business, ધંધા રોજગાર, એની સાથે કયા festivals associated means related છે? So ઉત્તરાયણ, હોલી ધૂળેટી, દિવાળી, જન્માષ્ટમી, દશેરા, etc. are some festivals that are connected with business. આપણે કંઈક વસ્તુની ખરીદી કરીએ ને. ઓકે, સો આ બધા એવા ફેસ્ટિવલ્સ છે કે જેને સેલિબ્રેટ કરવા માટે આપણે કંઈક ને કંઈક વસ્તુને ખરીદી કરવા પડે. સો ઇટ ઇઝ એસોસિએટેડ વિથ બિઝનેસ. ઓકે, નાવ લાસ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન, how does each festival differ from one another? How does each festival differ from one another? Okay, so let's see. Each festival is differ from each other in many ways, like the story behind it. ઓકે, બધા ફેસ્ટિવલ એકબીજા સાથે કેવી રીતના ડિફરન્ટ હોય? બધા ફેસ્ટિવલની પાછળ કંઈક અલગ અલગ સ્ટોરી હોય. It importance, so all festivals are different importance, the way we celebrate it. So the way of celebration is also different. The choice of people also different. The time of the year and when it is celebrated. All the festivals are celebrated on different time. on different day, on different date. So these are the differences between different festivals and the community that celebrate the festivals. Also, different communities celebrate different festivals. So these are some varieties or differences between the celebration of festival. Okay, so all the festivals are differ from one another in this way, how they celebrated, whom they celebrate, એમને જે એમને સેલિબ્રેટ કરવામાં આવે એવા ડિફરન્ટ કોમ્યુનિટીઝ હોય, ડિફરન્ટ કોમ્યુનિટીઝના પીપલ્સ હોય, ડિફરન્ટ ફેસ્ટિવલ સેલિબ્રેટ કરતા હોય. ઓકે, સો એમના ડેઝ આ પણ ડિફરન્ટ હોય. એમની પાછળની જે સ્ટોરીઝ હોય, ડિફરન્ટ જે ફેસ્ટિવલ્સ છે એમના પાછળની જે સ્ટોરી હોય, ઇટ ઇઝ ઓલ્સો ડિફરન્ટ. સો ઇન મેની વે ઓલ ધ ફેસ્ટિવલ્સ આર ડિફરન્ટ ફ્રોમ one another. Okay, now read the paragraph. Okay, you all may have been to a fair. So બધા ફેરમાં ગયા છો ને? Okay, very good. What can be seen in the fair? શું જોવા મળે તમને ફેરમાં? There are different, very good, toy shops, okay, sweet shops, food shops, different swings, merry-go-round, and all that types of means of entertainments can be seen in the fair. Okay, very good. Now you have learned more about the fair in previous standard, but it was all about religion, local fairs. Okay, but fairs might have been held in your district also. Most of our fairs are held or organized at our pilgrimages and during festivals. So you may have studied different fairs in the last or previous standard, but they are your regional fair or local fair. But here we are going to discuss about the fair which are held in your or our district. So most of the fairs are held or organized at our pilgrimages. Pilgrimages means dharmik sthalo, and during festivals. Also during festivals there are different fairs on different pilgrimage places. Note down the names of places where the festivals are held from the book named My District. So here we have to note down different fairs held in our district. Okay, so here is the list of different fairs. Place of fair, that where the different fair is held. આ જુદા જુદા fairs જે છે એ ક્યાં held થાય છે? So it is so first the place of the fair, second box the day or the festival on which the fair is held or organized. જે દિવસે fair held થાય એ લખવાનું. Or third box, whether the fair is held at any pilgrimage place. Answer yes or no. જો fair pilgrimage place એટલે કે ધાર્મિક સ્થળો ઉપર held થાય તો yes, and if it is not held on any pilgrimage place then it is no. Okay, and last box, in which English month is the fair organized. So here the month of that fair. Okay, now first fair place પારનેરા આથમ ડ્યુરિંગ નવરાત્રિ. નવરાત્રિમાં આથમનો મેળો થાય ને ક્યાં થાય? પાનેરા હિલ પર. ઓકે, સો whether it is pilgrimage place or not? Very good, it is ધાર્મિક સ્થળ છે ને પાનેરા હિલ. Why? Because Kalimata temple is there. Okay, so it is pilgrimage place. So write down here yes. So yes. Then last box, in which English month the Atham fair held? It is on October. Okay, October month. Now, second fair, Tadkeshwar, place of the fair, Tadkeshwar. On which day or month, Shravan month, the fair is held in Tadkeshwar temple. Okay, so Tadkeshwar temple પાસે held થાય ને fair શ્રાવણ monthમાં. Okay, so whether it is a pilgrimage place or not, ધાર્મિક સ્થળ છે તડકેશ્વર? Yes, very good. So it is pilgrimage place. Yes. And English month, which English month this Shravan fair is held? So it is July, August, during the month of July and August, that Shravan month's fair is held in Tadkeshwar Mahadev temple. Okay, now third fair is Tithal Beach. On Tithal Beach, Chandi Mela on the day Poonam, the fair of Chandi Mela. Okay, on the day Poonam is held. Is the place Tithal Beach? Is the place pilgrimage place or not? No, it is beach. It is not pilgrimage place. So write down no. This Chandi Mela is not held on any pilgrimage place. Okay, have you went to Chandi Mela ever? કોઈક વાર ગયા છો ચંડી મેલામાં? વેરી ગુડ. સો ઇટ ઇઝ નોટ પિલગ્રીમેજ પ્લેસ. તમને ખબર હશે ત્યાં કોઈ pilgrimage place નથી. It is held on beach. Okay, so write down here no. Okay, on which month this Chandi Mela come? So in October month Chandi Mela held on Tithal Beach, and it is not pilgrimage place. Okay, so these types of different fair is held in our Valsad district. Now discuss which type of diversity is seen in the fair organized in your district. So the diversities of fair. ફેરની અંદર કઈ કઈ ડાયવર્સિટીઝ જોવા મળે? આપણે જેટલા પણ આ ફેર્સ જોઈ ગયા ઉપર, 3 ફેર્સ વી હેવ સીન. Okay, Atham fair, then Shravan month's fair and Chandi Mela fair. Okay, so these 3 fairs we have seen. Okay, which type of diversities we have seen in these 3 fairs? આ ફેરની અંદર આપણને કઈ કઈ ડાયવર્સિટીઝ જોવા મળે? Okay, so we have to write down this. Okay, let's see. The different fairs are held on different date and in different month. You can see here all the fairs are held on different months. Okay, then each fair is connected to a different festival. All the fairs, they are connected with different festival. Then each fair is organized at a different place. You can see here all the fair is connected or celebrated on different place. Different fairs are dedicated to different gods. Okay, and each fair has its own traditions and importance. So these are some differences between the fairs. Okay, now write and you have to put a tick mark the appropriate occasion according to the list given. So here some lists are given and 2 occasions are given, first fair and second wedding ceremony. So these 2 occasions are given. We have to put a right mark on which the given list is used. આ given listની અંદર જે કંઈ પણ things આપ્યા છે એ કયા occasionમાં use થાય, we have to put a right mark. Okay, now first list, wedding card. Wedding card ક્યાં use થશે? It is wedding ceremony. So put a mark right in wedding ceremony. Okay, now fatal ride, you can see a fatal ride in a fair. Okay, then flower pin, you can see flower pin in wedding ceremony. Now dholak, You can also see in this dholak in wedding ceremony. Now sweets, you can see sweets in both ceremony, on both occasion, fair and wedding ceremony. Sweet બંનેમાં હોય ને, ફેરમાં પણ સ્વીટ જોવા મળે એન્ડ વેડિંગ સેરેમની હોય, કોઈકનું મેરેજ થાય ત્યારે પણ સ્વીટ્સ હોય. ઓકે, so put a tick mark in both box. Okay, now turn the page here. Okay, this page we will discuss letter. Okay, these two you have to note down in your notebook, sorry, in your textbook. Okay, and further you have to note down in your workbook also. Okay, in your textbook and in your workbook. Note down this in your workbook and textbook. So, and further pages we will discuss later. Okay students, till then stay home, stay safe.